Hello kids! Don't forget to subscribe my channel and please watch the full video. Today we draw a cup and a teapot.
Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know.
Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.